We like food.
Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be recreating Chicago's iconic Joey dog. This isn't your typical hot dog. It's a unique twist on a Chicago classic. It features a beef hot dog loaded with hand-cut fries and garlic wasabi aioli. Inspired by the family traditions of Uncle Bob taking the owners out for hot dogs around the city, this hot dog is going to bring a unique flavour to your kitchen. First off, you'll need some fresh rosemary. Grab a small handful and finely chop. Set it aside, and we'll be using this to season our homemade fries later. The aroma and flavour of fresh rosemary will elevate these fries to a whole new level. Next, we're going to need 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes. Grab your peeler and peel them. Now slice them into fry-sized strips. Laying them on their side and cutting them lengthways 2 to 3 times, then laying them down flat and cutting them lengthways again. Gather up all your freshly cut fries and place them in the bowl. It's time to season your fries. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of oil to the bowl. Give it a mix to make sure every fry gets a generous coating of this flavourful seasoning. Once your fries are seasoned, it's time to get them cooking. Place them in the air fryer and set the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. Cook these for 15 minutes. This is the first part of our twice cooked method. Remember, it's essential to give them a good shake halfway through to prevent them from sticking together and to ensure even cooking. After the first 15 minutes, your fries should be soft and break in half easily. That's when you know they're ready for the second round of cooking. Shake them again and return them to the air fryer. But this time, crank up the temperature to 195 degrees Celsius or around 385 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for another 10 minutes. Again, don't forget to shake them halfway through. While our fries are getting in their final crisping, let's get started on the main star, the beef sausages. Add them to the air fryer tray and cook for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or roughly about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. While the sausages are cooking, let's whip up the garlic wasabi aioli. In a small bowl, mix together 1 cup of garlic aioli and 1 tablespoon of wasabi. Stir until well combined. Now grab a hot dog roll and cut it down the middle. The sausages are done cooking when they're nice and crispy on the outside but retaining all the moisture. Remove from the air fryer and place one onto your toasted hot dog roll. Now for the best part, start piling on those fries. Then top it with our garlic wasabi aioli. Finally, for those that like a little bit of a kick, a dash of Tabasco sauce adds the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it, the Chicago Joey dog. This is packed full of flavour. I wouldn't recommend eating this every day, but it's a hell of a good treat to have. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.